Meaning of Edward III.
Edward III.
Edward III.
Edward III.
Edward III. Edward III refers to Edward III of England, who was a monarch that reigned from 1327 to 1377. He is known for his significant military campaigns, including the 100 Years' War against France and the Battle of Crécy. Edward III also played a role in the development of English Parliament by granting greater powers to the House of Commons. His reign saw economic growth due to the expansion of trade and the introduction of new industries. Overall, Edward III's legacy is one of military prowess, political reform, and economic expansion.